Hey everybody, welcome to our weekend check-in video for Psych 5 Social Psychology for Saturday, August 7th. And this is actually a pre-course check-in video there. I mean, we'll have these every Saturday, but I'm just putting this one out there before our class officially begins on Monday, just to kind of give you a heads up about a few things and reminders, clarifications, etc. there. But I will post these every Saturday, so do keep an eye out for them. And it's good for you to watch them because they're very quick, to the point, short and sweet. I'll just go over some reminders, assignment clarifications, etc. They're just things you need to know about there so you can be successful in our course. So definitely do check them out there. I can see some of you have already been busy on our Canvas course page, checking things out there, because I did publish the page earlier this week there. So take a look there if you haven't already. You can definitely check some things out. At least everything isn't open just yet, but it will be open by the time class starts there on Monday. But when you do land on our Canvas course page, you're going to land in the modules area. And right at the very top there, you're going to see the first module, which says Start Here, which obviously is a great place to start. So just work your way through that, all that material there. You'll see that at the very top of that module, there is a welcome video where I introduce myself and tell you some important things about the course and how to navigate the course page, etc. So definitely check that out there. And also, earlier this week, I posted an announcement that had an orientation video attached to it there. So make sure you watch that as well. That's especially important as a video because I do dedicate it to navigating what are called the units in our course. The units are where you're going to find the actual course material, so the meat and potatoes of our course. That is all of your assignments, quizzes, exams, lectures, etc. there. I walk you through with some screenshots and show you what you got to click on and what you're going to find there, so definitely check that out. It'll really help you out. And so when the units open up on Monday, because they're not open right now, but on Monday they're going to open up there. You can start getting busy on the assignments if that's what you want to do that first week. But there's nothing really due that first week except for a short survey, which I'm going to just mention for you now. Make sure that you get that survey done there by Wednesday this coming week there by 11:59 p.m. It's a 5-question survey. You'll finish it probably in less than a minute. It's real short and sweet. And it's just, I have to have some way to verify that students that are enrolled in the course are actually going to participate in the course. That is, so I know that you're alive and kicking and are not just on the list but not doing anything. So make sure that you do that survey there. Again, it'll take you less than a minute. That way I know you're going to participate, and I won't think about dropping you from the course. So make sure you get that done there. You'll get a reminder announcement about doing that on Monday if you haven't already done the survey, because you can do it any time since the course was open there. What else here? Also, you should have gotten an announcement earlier this week that there's going to be a live streaming session this coming Monday at 1 p.m. In this first session, I am going to go over the syllabus and give you a tour of the Canvas course page, so it might help you to take a look there. But if you can't make it to that meeting, no worries, it will be recorded. And by the way, none of these meetings we're going to have every Monday at 1 are required for you to attend. This is what we call an asynchronous course, which means there's no scheduled meetings that you have to attend. But I will record these live meetings, and in the future, these meetings will probably only be a half hour or so. This very first meeting is probably going to be about an hour because I do have to walk through the syllabus, which does take some time. And I do got to take you on a Canvas course tour, which does take some time. And so otherwise in the future, what I will do is just go over some assignments, clarifications, reminders, anything you need to know about I think is important for that week there, and of course answer any questions that you might have. So again, in the future, it'll be about a half hour, if even that. So and you'll always get an announcement with the Zoom link there telling you about it. So no worries about when that's going to be or anything. It'll always be posted for you well ahead of time, so you can always plan ahead there. Next item here is that you may have noticed, if you've already been on our Canvas course page or looked at the syllabus, that there is an online learning platform that contains a fair amount of your course points that you're going to earn, and it's called Inquisitive. It's from our publisher, Norton, which is just the textbook publisher's name, and most textbook publishers these days have an online learning platform, and from Norton it's called Inquisitive. And Inquisitive presents a series of questions for each chapter that you need to answer, and there's all kinds of different formats as far as the questions. And if you look in the front of your textbook, you will see that myself, along with another instructor there, we actually wrote many of those questions there. I'm actually very tied closely to this textbook there. I'm not an author of the book, but I am one of the authors of all the Inquisitive content there. So I can guarantee you that everything on those inquisitive assignments you will find in the textbook there. So we made sure of that when we wrote that stuff. So it's all in there. But the important thing for right now about the inquisitive material there is you will see a dedicated module there on our Canvas course page labeled inquisitive there, and you do need to register for it from our Canvas course page. Do not try to register for inquisitive outside of our Canvas course page. If you do that, it will not tie you to the gradebook on Canvas, so I won't see your scores from the assignment. So make sure that you only do it from the Canvas course page, and you will get a reminder announcement about that, and that's in the instructions. You'll find in the inquisitive module too. So please do it from Canvas. Don't do it outside, okay? It'll save you a lot of headache there, and me too. So I don't want to have to worry about you. So make sure you're following instructions there. Another important issue here, but you will see that I address it both in the welcome video on Canvas and in that orientation video I posted as an announcement, is where are the due dates for all of the course assignments. This is, of course, important to know, especially for an online course there. And I will walk you through how to do that when you watch those videos, so please do it there, but I'll tell you now. You will always see a due date next to any assignment that you will find in our course units there. And you're going to see there are 5 course units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And every assignment, a quiz, a discussion board, an exam, will have the due date listed right there next to it, so you cannot miss it. You will also see when you log into Canvas, your to-do list will pop up, and it'll show you what's coming up in all your courses. Also, if you click on the syllabus link from our Canvas course page, or the calendar link from any main Canvas menu, you will see all the assignments for our course all in one place and all of their due dates. I've got every assignment already populated on our Canvas course page, so everything's set up to run through August through December. So it's completely set up there. I'm a ducks in a row kind of guy, so the whole course is completely ready to deploy. Everything is set up there. All the assignments are plugged in. All the due dates are assigned. So everything's ready to go. But if you want to see everything all in one place, click on the calendar link, click on the syllabus link, but do watch the videos because there's a few little details about that you need to know about that will make your life really easy. And this goes for any of your courses. As long as your instructor has assigned due dates for your assignments, you can go into any course and see everything all in one place like that. It's really handy, so you can kind of plan ahead, which is nice to do, right? So, and again, watch those videos. It'll really make things easy for you to navigate. Other than that, hopefully I will see some of you on Monday. Again, it'll be a bit longer than it usually will be. Again, it's not required, but it'll be nice to see some of you there. And I will answer any questions that you might have at that time. So until then, have a good weekend, stay safe, and maybe I'll see some of you on Monday. Okay.